Students, see page number 36. I am reading about major crops. A variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the country depending upon the variations in soil, climate, and cultivation practices. So, in our country, in India, food crops also which are grown as well as the non-food crops also are grown, and it depends upon the variation, different types of soil, different types of climate, and cultivation practices which are practiced. Uh, all are all these practice as well as the because of these diversities we can see, so we can see the different types of crops which are grown. Some are the food crops and some are the non-food crops also grown in our country. India are, sorry, Major crops grown in India are rice, wheat, millet, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton, and jute, etc. Now, these are the major crops which are grown in our country, and these are grown, means these major crops are grown in different parts of our country. Why? Because we can see the different types of climate, different types of soil types, as well as the cultivation practices also different. So we can see that these are the different crops which are cultivated at a different regions. Now we will read first one of the important crop which is cultivated in our country, that is a rice. It is the staple food. Staple means here important, basic. It is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Means majority, many people, maximum people. Now they use rice in their food, in food item. So it is called an important crop. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. Now, second largest producer of rice after China, our country, India. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature. Now, here all you have to underline and try to understand. For the cultivation of rice, it requires high temperature, about 25 degree Celsius, and high humidity with an annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. In the areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. So where there is a low rainfall, so our farmers, the people, now they supply the water with the help of the irrigation facility. And because of the irrigation facility, so they can grow the rice in such a field. Now here you can see the rice cultivation, here image 4.4. This one also you can see rice is ready to be harvested in the field. Very nice picture. Now after that you have to see the map. This map also, especially the regions which are located on this map. Rice cultivation regions are located here, major area and minor area. So you can observe this carefully and try to understand. Now I am reading this one. Rice is grown. Now after you can see the page number 38, this one. Rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India. So we are reading about the rice, one of the important crop. So rice is cultivated in our country. Rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas, and the deltaic regions. Development of dense network of canal irrigation and tube wells have made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall such as Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. So these are the areas which are Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh, as well as the parts of Rajasthan. So with the help of the canal irrigation as well as the tube wells facilities, so farmers, they are able to grow rice in such areas. Now after this we will read wheat in next clip.